Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Miracle Mirror. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a DIY soap which is suitable for normal to combination skin type. So let's see how to prepare this at home. For that, cut 2-3 thin slices of orange. Soak it in required amount of apple cider vinegar and keep this mixture airtight in a dark place for 7 to 8 days. This kind of helps to infuse the extracts of orange juice with the apple cider vinegar. Now to prepare the soap, into a container, drop 2 to 3 1-inch cubes of soap base. You may also use regular soaps like some glycerin based soaps which are available to you. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of rice flour, two teaspoons of the orange ACV mixture, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of water. Now melt the whole mixture by double boiler method. Mixture has come to a liquid state, so immediately pour it into a mold or a paper cup like so and keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. So now our homemade soap for normal to combination skin type is ready to use. In the soap we have used oranges. It has many free radicals which slow down the process of aging. It also helps to get rid of premature wrinkles. It has citric acid which improves complexion. And apple cider vinegar helps to get rid of dark patches. It helps to maintain the pH of the skin at normal conditions. It also helps to shrink the open pores and maintains the skin dewy or glowy. And turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties which helps to tackle with all those skin infections and irritations that may occur on our skin. Rice flour has skin lightening and whitening properties, and hence when used on a regular basis helps to improve our skin complexion and evens out our skin tone. So as a whole, this soap contains all those benefits which are required for healthy appearance of our skin. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.